Morning students, dear students, today let us understand the political science part of social science in 8th standard. So the chapter is meaning and importance of political science. In this chapter we shall understand these important learning points. The first one is concept of political science, the process of development in political science, the great political thinkers and their contributions. The importance of political science we will understand in this lesson. Dear students, what is political science? So political science is one of the social sciences dealing with the political activities of man. It deals with state and government. So political science deals with state and government. So political science studies the origin and nature of state and forms of political institutions. So the study of state, so listen carefully, the study of state is the main subject matter of political science. So dear students, what are the political activities of man? Then casting of votes. So the adults were showing their identification for casting votes. Then Shri Narendra Modi ji, the Honorable Prime Minister and Honorable Congress President Rahul Gandhi. So in this picture we know about what are the political activities of man. Casting of votes, then contesting elections in Grama Panchayat, Taluk Panchayat, Jilla Panchayat, then assembly elections and parliamentary elections and become the President of India. So these are the political activities of man. So hence the political science is dealing with the political activities of man. So the political activities of man, so which was studied by the political science. So the political science studies all the subject matter of origin, nature and functions, then forms of political institutions. As a subject, study of political science began with the Greeks. So however, the Babylonians, Egyptians, Persians, Indians, then Chinese, so they have mentioned their ideas or thoughts about the political science earlier to Greek, but they have failed to a systematic. So the ancient civilizations people, those who have thought about political science, so they have failed as systematic study of political science. So the Greeks gave the systematic study of political science. The politics was given the status of an independent science by the Greeks. So the Greeks gave the status of an independent science for the political science. Dear students, so as the study of political science began with the Greeks. So earlier the Babylonians, the Egyptians, then the Persians, then Indians and Chinese have their own ideas or thoughts about political science earlier to Greek, but they have failed to express a systematic study of political science. Friends, the Greeks who began the systematic study of political science, and the Greeks was given the politics for the study of political science, and they gave an independent science for the political science for the first time. The Greek philosophers are the political thinkers. The famous political thinkers are Socrates, then Plato and Aristotle. So they are called Greek philosophers or political thinkers. Then Plato. So Plato was the student of Socrates. He wrote the book Republic. So in his book Republic, he discussed the nature and functions of the state and government for the first time. Then Aristotle. Aristotle was the disciple of Plato, and Aristotle is considered as the father of political science. Yes, why we consider as Aristotle the father of political science? Because for his valuable contribution to the development of political science, hence we consider Aristotle as the father of political science. Dear students, who was the father of political science? Yes, Aristotle is considered as the father of political science. Then Aristotle wrote the great book or the literary work is called the Politics. So in his book Politics, he discussed the origin, nature and functions of state and government. Then the politics, the Greeks used the term politics for the study of state. The term politics is derived from the Greek word polis. So the polis means city-state. What is political science? It means a subject which deals with the affairs of city-state and its working was called political science by ancient Greeks. Then the political science studies the origin, nature of state, then scope, then development, administration, type of a state, then forms of political institutions, rights and duties of citizens. Then political science also studies the past, present and future political parties and political institutions and political theories. So now let us understand the important point, what is political science. So political science is the study of state, government and human political activities is called political science. Yes, Raju, what is political science? Yes, the study of state, government and human political activities is called political science. Dear students, can you identify these personalities? Yes, the first one is Aristotle, then Plato, then Aristotle. Once again, Socrates, Plato, Aristotle were called great political thinkers or the great philosophers of Greek. Plato was the student of Socrates. Then Plato wrote a book called Republic. So in his book Republic, he discussed for the first time about the functions and nature of state and government. Then Aristotle, so he was the student of Plato, so he is considered as the father of political science because for his valuable contribution to the development of political science. Dear students, Aristotle wrote a great literary work called the Politics. So in his book Politics, he discussed about the origin and nature, functions of state and government. Dear students, now let us understand the importance of political science, or why we study the political science, or what are the advantages of studying political science. So the knowledge of political science is very essential in the present age. The progress and the development of a state depends upon knowledge and political involvement of the people. So now hence let us understand the importance of political science. The first one is political science provides or political science helps to understand. The first point, dear students, look at this point. The political science helps to understand the birth and growth of a state, and it also provides about the types of government and functions. The second one is the political science provides the information about the origin and development of ideas such as monarchy, freedom, justice, laws, equality, good government, wars and peace, etc. The political science provides information about the structure of functions of the state and government. Political science also helps to understand the organs of the government, that is legislature, executive and judiciary, and also helps their functions. So one more importance of political science is political science provides the knowledge of constitution and laws of the state. It is very important. Note it. The political science provides the knowledge of the constitution and laws of the state. The knowledge of political science helps to raise good leadership and good citizens. The political science helps to understand political institutions like political parties, so many political parties in today, and federations and local bodies. The knowledge of political science helps leaders and civil servants to understand and solve the problems of the people effectively. So these are the importance of political science and why we study the political science. So these are the advantages of political science. Dear students, thus the knowledge of political science helps us to the need of a state and good governance of a state, the role of leaders and participation of people. The political science helps the people become good and responsible, cultured and active citizens. So the knowledge of political science contributes the establishment of a just, then peaceful and happy state. Dear students, so these are the importance of political science. I conclude the today's lesson. I hope that all of you understood very well. Take down the today's homework. The first one, what is political science? The second one is, give the definition of political science. Third one, who is considered as the father of political science? Fourth one, who wrote the book Republic? The fifth one, mention the importance of political science. Thank you.